Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm not sure if I'm visible or not, or are we still live or not, because this is the first live and I don't have any idea like how to set up these things. So I took the help of ChatGPT. Obviously, I took the help of ChatGPT to set up this whole live streaming setup, and I'll check in my phone once. 1 second. Okay. I know there might not have anyone to see us, but that's fine since this is the first live stream. So I don't have any issue with that. Okay, so yes, it looks like that we're live, and yeah, yeah. I hope this my phone is visible. I hope. Yes, but it's lagging. Okay, no problem. That's not an issue. I think I have to stop this fan because it's generating lots of noise. I'll just stop this fan. Okay. Okay, it's saying that I need to. Okay, storage is poor. Now sorry for this configuration. This video resistance 256014040. So I need to change the video resolution. Okay, let's do it. Not sure how to do it. Let me check in the settings. If there is anything video. Okay, it's not allowing to change the resolution. You can see audio is fine, streaming bitrate, stream. I don't see anything here. Let me check. Does this look? If I increase the resolution while watching this live stream, I think it's working fine, but I'm not sure why it's showing that poor connection issue. So you can see this issue is being shown here. Okay, no worries. Let's continue with our task, which is I'm going to upgrade the features of QuranGPT. So like I'm just trying to make this application as much accessible as possible from my side. Okay, so okay, let me check if I have. Okay, so that like everyone, no matter from which corner of the world he or she belongs to, I want that everyone should have the access to this application, no matter how much educated he is or she is, that's why this is the effort I am adding here, and whatever I will say here, everything will be unfiltered. So that's it. Like the goal of this live stream is this, so that I can show everything unfiltered, whatever I am doing to improve this application. So most of the people don't know about which application I am talking, so I'll get back to that. So okay, so before that, so I am showing you some charts that I used for writing the description and the tags for this video, for this live stream. Okay, so let me start with adding the text to space feature. So this is the cursor that I am using for developing this application. So I want to clarify one thing also, that I have experience in data engineering, but in terms of coding, real coding, I don't have any experience. So I created this whole application with the help of AI. That too, mostly I have used this cursor, and this is not a free application. I have to pay around $20 per month for accessing this application. And yeah, so this is a huge application. It is not built in one night. It has taken a lot of time, lots of efforts, but that's fine. If people start using this application, then I am happy. Okay, so I'll show you the interface of the application. I'll just close these additional windows. I don't think I'll have need of this windows. Okay, yeah, so this is the application I'm talking about. So in last couple of days I have added this web search feature, so that you can verify whatever is written in the output. You can verify against that. And this is a, you can say, vertical bar toggle button. It allows you to expand or collapse the vertical bar as per your convenience. And you can ask any question related to Islam or Quran, any doubt you might have. So I'm not saying that it will give 100% correct output, uh, but you can have some clarity. So yeah, so I am also like thinking of making it as much accurate as possible. So for that I might need help of multiple Islamic scholars, and also need a very big amount of funds. So that's about future. So currently whatever is possible from my side, I'm trying my best. So apart from maintaining my full-time job, I'm building this in my free times. So you can see that it's 12:21 a.m. in the night. So after working, cooking, eating, then I am here. I have sat down on my bed and just started working on this. So I'm showing our ultimate goal. What will be our ultimate goal? Then we'll proceed with the development, and it's obviously AI powered development. It's not, I'm not claiming that I have end-to-end experience of software development using different coding languages, but I have experience in data engineering that consists of SQL, Python, and other data engineering tools. I'm not going into details. So first I will write an input message, write an input message, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So, and another cool feature that I added recently, that is mm, so you might have written a wrong sentence, or you might have very less knowledge of words in your own language as well. That doesn't matter. You just try to express whatever is possible from your side in the input field, and just click on this button. It will improve your question. Just click on it and it will start improving. So now, yeah, here you can see that it has improved your question. What is the Islamic definition of life according to the Quran and Sunnah? So, and if you want a full-fledged answer to your question, you should enable all these options from tafsir till hadith till questions. Okay, you should enable this hadith, web search, and questions. So you will see by default only tafsir is selected, because whenever this hadith and web search, these buttons are clicked, okay, it costs me API keys, so that becomes difficult for me to bear the cost. That's why I've kept this only one option as by default, and same for questions also. So I'll show you. I'll just enter this send message button, and it will call multiple APIs. If I get time in later, then I'll show you. So I clicked on it. It's showing some cool animation, and dark mode support is there, and another one is that free Palestine. It should be here until Palestine is freed. So what's the okay? So we are getting our answer. Yeah. So I'm not going and reading the whole answer word by word. I'm not doing that. It will take a lot of time. So as we have selected all these options, so that's why we are seeing all these things. So for example, if I would not have selected anything, then it would only generate this answer till this without this link, okay, and it would not show this tafsir is very important, because if you want to know the context of the ayah of the Quran, so you need to understand the tafsir as well. So these are not mere buttons, okay. So if you click on these buttons, you will see complete explanations of this ayahs. Yeah, here is the one explanation. There are three different type of explanations. You should read all the explanations if you want to get a clear understanding. So if I select hadith, then it will show the relevant hadiths also in the related hadith section, okay. And if you select the web search, then it will show these additional links. So if you want to do further research, you can click on these links, and this will open in the next window, and you can research on that on based on those links. And as we have selected the question section, so it is giving suggested questions, so that you stay curious after getting one answer. Then if you have some questions but you are not sure what to ask, so it will help you to ask the right question. And if you just click on this, it will start generating new questions. And I have not kept any loop, because to keep any loop, it will cost more APIs. So that's why I have kept this, like, there is no details is saved in the backend. So you can see it has given some output, and this output is generated instantly because it has not done any detailed research. It because tafsir, hadith, web search questions, nothing is selected here. Okay, so as I mentioned that tafsir is not selected, that is no tafsir available showing. Okay, and obviously sources are there from which source we are getting this ayahs, so that we don't like modify anything from our side. This is very important. And additionally, I have kept the source here as well. And if you are interested to read the ayah in Arabic also, I have kept that as well. So you can just click on this toggle button and it will allow you to read the ayah. And also, if you want to play the recitation of that particular ayah, you just click on this play recitation.
ولا تقولوا لمن يقتل في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء ولكن لا تشعرون.
Okay, so yeah, so now I want to do what? I want to add one additional button here, maybe a floating button here in this side. That is, on clicking on that button, user will be able to listen the answer directly from the output instead of having like they having like they need to read this. So this will help those people who don't have any knowledge of reading words or sentences. So I'm thinking of adding that button below this one. So this is also a convenient button for those people who have uh, like issues with their eyes, like they can't see or can't read smaller letters. This is for those. So currently the text size is small. If I click on this, it will increase the text size, and if I give another click, it will increase the maximum size. So there are three sizes available currently, so it will increase the sizes so that everyone can read properly. And another reason behind adding that text to speech feature is that the people who can't see anything, but they must be able to listen what is the answer to this question. Okay, that's why I am thinking of adding this feature. So I will add this live. I will try to add at least. And okay, so I think I have been able to give a detailed not a detailed but a short overview of this application. And apart from that, these are some different tabs that you can explore. Okay, I'm just reducing the size. Okay, so one is read Quran. You can read Quran. So I have made it as much simplistic as possible. This is not something that I can't make it like add it more jewelry on it. Okay, I can add whatever I want, but I wanted to keep it as much clean as possible. Like if you click on this Al-Fatiha, you will see the the surah ayah by ayah. So this is the first ayah, this is the second, this is the third, and on clicking this you will be able to copy it. Okay, copy Arabic text and translation, you will be able to copy this one. And also if you click on this, you will be able to see the transliteration. And if you click on this, you will be able to select the audio of this ayah from multiple reciters. And if you click on this, what is this? Yeah, it will give the tafsir of this specific ayah, and in three different like it will give three different tafsirs. And on clicking this, as usual, you will be able to play the recitation of this ayah. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not running currently. Okay, I think I need to select one first. Okay, it's not working currently. We'll check back later. So, and you can see this that currently on which ayah you are, and you can also click on this and go to the next surah. Okay, I have to check this. I think this is making some issues. Okay, yeah, there is some issue with this. So yeah, this is the read Quran tab. This is the functionality of this tab, and this is another cool feature, nearest mosque. So you will have to allow this know your location, and it will instantly search your location, and based on your location it will trace the nearest mosque for you. Okay, just get the open in Google Maps and you will be able to see the direction in Google Maps. So I'll obviously recommend to open in Google Maps so that it becomes more convenient to you, and you can reach the nearest mosque as soon as possible. This is one thing, and it is not much things. So it will show the walking routes, transit route. So if you go with transit like bus or auto, so you should take this way, and if you want to go by driving, then you can take, if you want to go by walking, then you can take this one lane, and if you want to go to by cycling, so you should also take this lane, and this is showing within 5 km radius. So this is one cool feature, and if you want to get the direction, so it will show you the directions. Okay, and time and calendar. So there is nothing much here. It is showing the current time based on my location. I hope it should show based on your location as well, and it will show the current prayer time. So I think there are some conflicts regarding this, so that's why I have kept it till midnight. So based on your midnight time, you can keep this current prayer time, and also next prayer time. It's obviously based on your location, and these are two cool features that are showing the, like, on the most celebrated what, sometimes I forget the words, so most celebrated events of Islam, and it will be showing you the Islamic calendar. Today it's a Jumada month, and this is the 14th day of that month, and there is another one, that is a Zakat calculator. So you can calculate Zakat, whatever Zakat is applicable to you, you will be able to see it here. And info is I call it as a transparency page, because whatever I have used I have mentioned here. Maybe I have not mentioned everything here. I'll try to add everything in the future. And another one, yeah, this is the contact that will redirect you to my LinkedIn page. That's it. So yeah, okay, so I'll try to add this. Okay, so for text to speech feature, okay, I have taken 11 labs API. So I have created one 11 labs account, and I went to this link and clicked on create key, gave the name of the key as QuranGPT, and I selected text to speech and speech to text, because at this moment we need these two features only. Sorry for the background noise. Yeah, so I created one, click create key, and it has generated the key. I have kept this key in the .env.local, so I can't show this the one because it contains all the important keys. Okay, so that's why I have created one env.example file to show you that whatever API keys I am using. Okay, now we'll give commands to this agent. cursor isn't to create that feature for us, and we'll test it accordingly. So I'll give it some inputs. Okay, using the 11 labs API added in the .env local file, added in the .env local file, and it should show the make the output text. It should read the output text and show as space on clicking a text to speech button, which you will be adding below the text size toggle button in the output section. Space to space button. Okay, let me know if you have any questions before proceeding. Yeah, while it's generating the answer, let me check. Okay, check how many people watching this. Okay, I know almost zero. It's not almost zero, it's zero people. Okay, no problem. I'll take it as a motivation, although I'm not sure if I should take it as a motivation or not, but whatever. So another reason behind studying this live is also that to improve my English speaking skills, and I know I'm not so good in English, but I'll try to improve myself with this live streaming as well. Okay, so far it has created a new API route as in the text to speech folder, and this is the API route. Okay, default voice. Okay, so we can change the voice ID, so later I will check it, but for now our main objective is to check whether this feature is getting implemented correctly or not, so we will do that. So text to speech. Okay, and what else it has created? Okay, let me check. Okay, so it has added additional code in the content utilities file. So the objective of creating this file is it will extract whatever text is in the output HTML, and another one is it has added that text to speech button in this page, output page. Okay, this is the button code. It has added some code, so it's very good. Like, I like it. It's not taking much time. It knows where to paste the code, and it has also improved my website's design. As if you have used this live application, uh, you'll understand that. Okay, I hope now it has implemented that feature that we wanted. So okay, I'm not sure what question should I ask. So just giving, can you core tenets and foundational principles that define Islam? Wow. So we'll, for testing purpose, I think we should not check everything. It will take a lot of time. Okay, let us see if it's working or not. Wow. So you can see it has added this this text to speech button. Let us click on it and see. Okay, so we have faced one issue. What is that issue? This is the issue. We'll ask it to fix this one. Okay, so it is saying that model depreciated for free tiers. As you know, this is the free tier. Okay, issue. Okay, why this issue? Okay, so I'll ask it to search the internet and get the most latest model that we can use in the free tier API. Let us see what it does. So I think it has not done any mistake in the code, but it has taken an outdated model. Let us see. So it's searching in the internet. After adding this feature, I will also add this fix that Quran recitation feature also. Let me see which model it has added. Okay, I think it has kept the same model and let me show more detail. Okay, let us see. I think it has completed its code writing. We'll check. We'll try to check the same button. It's loading. Okay, so it's showing it's compiled. Okay, let us see what else it's for us. Maybe it's extracting all the texts from the output. That's why it's taking so much time. But I think if it takes a lot of time, then it's not good, right? It should not take that much amount of time. So okay, still we'll check what it is doing.
Islam, at its core, is built upon a foundation of unwavering belief in the oneness of Allah, Tawheed, and submission to His will. This
Wow.
submission is expressed through various acts of worship,
Okay.
ethical conduct, and adherence to the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah, the teachings and practices of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The
Okay.
foundational principles encompass faith, worship, moral conduct, and social responsibility, all aimed at creating a
if,
just and
Allah is
harmonious
into you,
society
then
that is pleasing to Allah.
nothing is
The key is to
impossible.
understand how these tenets are interwoven, guiding Muslims in all aspects of life, from personal devotion to communal interactions, all centered around the
Now we'll
concept
see
of
if it's
Tawheed.
able to read the
Al-Ikhlas verse 1, 112.1. Say, He is the one God. Play recitation, Al-Fashi. Tafsir Ibn Kathir, Ma'rif al-Quran, Tazkir al-Quran, Ibn Kathir, which was revealed in Makkah, an. The reason for the revelation of this surah and its virtues, Imam
Okay.
Ahmad recorded from Ubay bin Ka'b that the
Okay,
idolaters
so
said to the
it's
Prophet,
reading the
O
tafsir
Muhammad,
as well, but
tell us
I
the
don't
lineage
want
of your
it
Lord.
to
So Allah
read the
revealed
tafsir
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the
section
name of Allah, the
and short
Beneficent,
section,
the
because
Merciful.
then it will
Similar was recorded by
consume a
At-Tirmidhi
lot of
and Ibn
API
Jarir, and they
API
added in
credits,
their
and
narration that he said,
I am not able
As-Samad
to bear that
as-Samad
much amount
is
of
one who
costs.
does not give birth,
So
nor was he born,
I'll
because
pause it. Let me see what it does. Okay, it's fetching two issues. Let us see what are these two issues. Exceeds you have credits remaining. A record for this. Oh, my credit already gone. Already the credit has gone. I did not imagine that it will cost this much amount of API credits. Oh. Total credits spent. So I don't think it's possible to implement with this much amount of credits consumed while answering to a single question. Okay, so I think I have to think of something alternative. So okay, I'll explore some other alternatives, and then maybe we'll come back in the next live. So till then, stay tuned and Khuda Hafiz. How to stop this live stream? End stream.